David just told y'all all about some things that can change the Earth's surface. So, name one of those things.
It can change.
What could change the Earth's surface? What did you do when you blew with the straw? Wind. Okay, what else did you put?
You put water.
Water, okay. I am going to tell you all about another type of thing that can change the Earth's surface, and it is wind also, but it's a different type of wind. And you three don't answer because you know. Okay, I'm going to ask you two then. What is a type of wind, really strong winds that can change the Earth's surface, and it moves in a circular motion? What do you think? It's very dangerous. Good job. Okay. So, I'm going to tell you a little bit about tornadoes today, and then we're actually going to make our own tornado. And we're going to make predictions about what is going to happen, and then you're going to record your observations, okay? Okay, so I'm going to read you a few pages out of this book to start with. And it just tells a little bit of information about tornadoes that you might not know. Has anyone ever experienced a tornado themselves? No? Has your...
It blew into a high school.
Okay, did you have to go out in the hall and get down?
Actually, our school we went to Hurricane Sandy, like, blew into the high school and damaged it.
Right, okay. Have your parents ever made you, like, when you have really bad storms and there's a threat of a tornado, go into a hallway?
There was a very bad storm once, and we had to go into our hallway.
Mhm.
And my mom opened the front door. We normally use the back door.
Mhm.
She opened the front door just to get the ornament, and you could hear the wind pounding. And when she finally opened it, it's hard to open. The wind pushed the door open.
Right, it's very scary sometimes, and they're very dangerous. So whenever a tornado comes, you need to get in the safest place in your house. Which, do you have a basement? That would be the safest place. We don't either, so we get in a room with no windows around because the glass could break. So they are very dangerous. Okay. It's a warm summer day. In the late afternoon, you notice towering storm clouds off to the southwest. At first, you don't think much about it. Then the sky grows darker. The wind begins to blow. You turn on the TV and hear a meteorologist giving a report. What's a meteorologist?
Weather person.
A weather person, good, okay. He says that conditions are right for tornadoes to form. Just then, it starts to rain hard. When you look out your window, you notice something strange. Beneath a dark cloud hangs what looks like a rope or an elephant's trunk. It lowers to the ground and begins stirring up dust. As it passes over a house, you are horrified to see the roof lift off and blow away. Suddenly, you realize that you're watching a tornado. The twisting rope-like thing you see is the tornado's funnel cloud, and it's headed straight for your house. You probably only have a few moments to decide how to protect yourself. What will you do? Few things on this planet are as terrifying as a tornado. Wind speeds inside these storms can top 300 miles per hour. When tornadoes touch the ground, the results can be horrible. The strongest tornadoes destroy nearly everything in their paths. Cars, trees, and even people can be picked up and thrown hundreds of yards. Tornadoes can completely flatten neighborhoods and small towns. They have killed more than 10,000 people in the United States since 1900. Tornadoes have been reported all over the world, but more occur in the United States than anywhere else. Did you guys know that? More occur in the United States than anywhere else in this entire world. Tornadoes have hit every state. They can strike during any season, but tornadoes are most common in spring and summer. Most U.S. tornadoes form in the middle of the country. In fact, so many roar through Kansas, Oklahoma, and other nearby states that the area is called Tornado Alley. Can you all see where the most common tornadoes are? And we're not far from that over here, are we? So we get a few ourselves in, what, April and May?
I forgot one time at church, we almost had a tornado, like there was circle in motion.
Uh-huh.
So we all had to go into the hallway.
In the hallway? Yes,
Like
because
the
there's
whole
no windows
church.
right there, right?
The
That
whole
church.
church had to go into one.
So you need to get in the safest place you can when a tornado comes. do you all still have your pencils? Okay. I'm gonna pass you out this sheet. This is our data sheet for our tornado we're gonna make. And we're gonna be in groups, so do you wanna have the same group? Okay, so you three and you two working in a group? And you're each gonna make a tornado, and you will each have a turn to do it. We can, all 5 of you will make a tornado. I'm gonna show you how to do it first. What do you think, and this goes in your first column over there, what do you think will happen when we turn this upside down and spin it?
I think when you turn it upside down, that everything will go into a circular motion.
Okay.
Like a tornado, like when you empty like a bathtub or something.
Good job, you are exactly right. Okay, what I have in the bottom here, I have small beads and I have glitter. So we know that tornadoes stir up what? Dust and dirt, so that would be what the glitter represents. What do you think the bigger items such as the beads could be? Like what's something, rocks? What did you say? Cars, houses. Okay, so what do you think is going to happen? Do you think when we turn this over, the glitter is going to land on the bottom first, or the beads, the cars and houses? Why?
Because they're heavier.
Okay, good. So that needs to go in your hypothesis column because that's what you think is going to happen, right? Okay, and then we're going to actually do our experiment and see what really happened. So I'm going to show you how. You'll each have one of these, and we're just going to start, and we're going to turn it over. You ready? You're going to put your hand flat on the top of it like that and start spinning, okay? And just keep spinning until you see that tornado forming in the middle. Do you see it? There it comes. You see the tornado? And what happened? What did we say was going to hit first?
The beads.
The beads, which are our
Cars and houses.
cars and houses. Because why?
They're heavier.
They're heavier. Good. And then see, we still have our glitter or our dust that's still flowing around. Y'all ready? Okay, wait until I get them all handed out, and then we'll start, okay?
No lava lamps.
Who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay.
Wait, but how we did this?
Okay, all you gotta do is flip it.
How we do it?
Flip it, and remember, put your hand on top. Good. Put your hand on the top. Hand on the top and spin. Good. Good. Good job.
Am I doing this right?
Yes, that's fine. It may take it a minute. Okay.
It's coming out.
You ready?
It's okay. It's okay.
There it goes.
That's actually pretty cool. Yeah.
There's your tornado. Did yours make one? Have they?
My turn.
Good. Notice what's happening to your glitter and your beads.
The beads are going down first.
They're going fast, aren't they?
Yeah.
Because they're bigger and way more. There's your tornado. There it goes. Pretty cool, huh? You think you're gonna make one of these at home?
I just need one.
Uh-huh. Abby, you going?
Yeah, I'll probably use duct tape.
I don't know little duct tape will work. Okay. You want to do it again? It's just the air. Okay. Look, it's starting to, you see it, it's starting to rotate, just like a tornado does. There you go. Good, there it goes.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
Uh-huh, that's a good one. Me too.
You didn't want to.
There it goes.
You gotta take it harder than that.
There you go. Okay.
Okay, let's
So, did our hypothesis, was it correct, you think? I think so too. So you can go ahead and put what really happened, and we also discussed why it happened, didn't we? Because why did the beads or our houses and cars hit first? They're heavier, good. And the glitter or dust was lighter. So you're still gonna have dust flying even after the tornado has come and gone, right?